What's up, guys? Today we will be doing the fidget spinner trick or dare challenge. What's my first trick I have to do?
You have to spin it on your elbow.
That did not work. Can't do it. Nope, can't do it. Okay, what's the dare?
You need to eat lemon like an apple.
I have to eat a lemon like an apple? Ew. Okay, so I got my lemon. I already cut it open. So, yesterday, so I can drink lemon water. But ready?
Ooh.
Oh, it burns my...
I'm sure he does.
That's what lemon like bitten like an apple looks like. My next trick I have to try to do.
I want you to spin it on your nose.
Why can't I do it? Okay, what's the dare now?
I want you to call, let's see.
A YouTuber. Just
You
a
can
random
do that?
YouTuber. Yeah, I think I could look up a number. That would be funny if we can even get a number. That was funny.
What is it?
I don't know.
Can you find it?
You have to pay for it.
Mm.
I'm not paying for it. It's rude. Maybe I can just... Nobody... Oh, it's not on there. I just... dial... I'll just call... the Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah. Give them compliments.
Yeah, give them a really... exquisite compliment. Hi Sally, I wanted to give you guys a really good compliment because I just absolutely love your guys' like customer service and just the food is amazing. Yeah, I'm just so thankful that you guys were invented because I love cheesecake. Thank you.
Thank you for calling.
Bye.
That was so cute.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah.
One more. Just give me one more.
Okay, try to do it on your tongue.
Of all places, on my tongue. You couldn't do on my knee? That would be a good one, but no. I can't do it. Nope. Okay, what's my dare?
You should call...
I don't know any more phone numbers.
Me either.
I'll look one up. O'Reilly Auto Parts. O'Reilly Auto Parts. That lady was nice. She should have. Hi, George. I was wondering if you guys had any snowmobiles for sale.
What are you after?
Snowmobiles for sale? Just like a regular snowmobile for sale?
No, we're not like a bike or a power sports dealer.
Oh, I thought you guys were.
No, we're just auto parts.
Okay, thank you. That was fun.
Yeah, really good.
Thanks for watching, guys, and go hit the like and subscribe button. Bye.